There he is. Yeah. Oh, he's on a log. Oh. He's still on though, I feel him. Get off the log. There we go. He's off the log. Trip. Yeah. Decent one. There we go. Nice little bass. Oh. There we go. It's a little smaller. Oh. Trying to get me hooked. Ow. And succeeded. That hurts. Stop shaking. Now you've got hooked again. There he is. Trip. Trip. No. There's treble hooks, Trip. You don't want to get hooked. There we go. It's a pretty good one. About the same size as the other. Trip. Trip. No. Trip. Stop. Trip. Stop. 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 Trip. Stop. Ugh. Stop. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Stop. Trip. There's fish. Oh, it's a little one. Sure, have you not learned your lesson? There he is. Oh. Just switching lures now. I've been using the Topwater for a while and caught a good few fish, but I was going to try this spinner bait, see how it works. See if we can catch a few more. I hit that turtle. Did you see it?
No, I didn't.
It was sitting there and I cast and it hit right where it was. Oh, there's fish.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's that one that chased it.
It's pulling hard.
Yeah, that one over there. I couldn't get him in.
Look at Trip, see?
Trap. See, I see.
This one doesn't have two treble
Oh,
hooks.
that's a nice one.
That is a nice one. No wonder he's pulling so hard.
Did you poop? What'd you bubble?
Trip,
Oh, it's ants. I tripped it.
grab him.
Tripped it. Come on,
He might be hung in the vines. Hold on.
There's a ton of ants.
It's a nice fish. Look how fat that fish is.
Oh, get out of it.
There you go, Chippy.
Oh, watch it.
Trip's just trying to get hooked today. There you go. Ready, Ralph?
That's a good one. He's
Look
fat.
how fat it is.
I know.
The fish is so fat.
Yeah, like those mosquito nice. What do you like hook the GoPro and then fishing shit? Have you seen the video where the guy uses GoPro?
As a lure? Yeah.
Or you showed me that.
Yeah, I did.
And then Andy did the phone.
Ooh. There he is. Ralph! Get away from my fish, Ralph.
I thought he got away.
There we go. This is a good one. Ralph. This is a pretty good one. Look at him.
That's the best.
He hit it right there.
I know. I heard you say, oh, and I told you
He
that
missed
one
it.
right over here. Yes, Did you see him?
Yes.
He jumped and slipped. He missed it. I told you. They're jerking it and it had got hung. Oh, they lost. Is that fishing or it was?
Huh?
I thought I saw your rod moving.
Oh, there's a crappie.
Right in front. Right in front. I mean, I wonder if the GoPro got that. Probably not. It was pretty quick.
He tried to swallow it. There we go. We got a crappie. A little one. Tripped up.
Chip's like crazy. It's like, this is the spot over here. I wonder what it was.
I don't know. There we go. That's another crappie.
Another one.
A little bigger. Ralph.
That's like taking it. No.
About the same. Yeah, that's pretty much the same. There,
I
Ralph.
thought it was a little bigger. I mean, they're really rolling.
Oh!
Oh, that was a crappie too.
Alright.
Come on, hold on. Let me get my claw rod.
I was about to say.
I mean, these are a little smaller.
There we go. There's another.
This will just be one video.
There we go. About the same size. Big though.
There's one right there by that stump.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, it's a bass, I think. I'm not sure though. Yeah, I can't tell. Come up, come up, come up. That's bluegill.
There's bluegill.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. Yep. That's a good one. They fight so hard. That's a round one.
See, but they don't try and... Good night. He's huge.
Good gosh. He swallowed it. Good night.
Look at that thing.
Compared to Jacob's hand. Jacob's got a pretty big hand.
Alright.
Oh,
I mean, he's got a big mouth.
Where's the stick? Can you get it?
Yeah, it's loose now. You just gotta get it out without rehooking him.
There we go.
There's your bluegill.
Good one. Good night. That's like... Look at his head right there.
That thing's huge.
Ooh. I didn't know it could do that.
You didn't know it had a buckle.
No, I didn't. That thing is humongous.
You wanna let him go?
Yep. Alright, Ralph.
Yep. That's a big bluegill.
They're huge around this time.
Yeah.
And they're fighting so hard. Oh, yeah. That was not as big as he's fighting hard. Oh,
Oh,
good.
don't fall down.
Oh, my line's going out. Oh, whoa. It's like a stump knocker.
Look at that thing.
Look how...
They're huge. Look at that tail.
Oh, whoa. It's like copper.
Look how thick it is, though.
I know, but that's cool. He's got a cool color. And... Oh.
Release. Maybe. There's that fence,
There it
though.
is.
There you go.
That one's...
It's a nice one.
Good night, that's why I love fishing bluegill.
Don't grab your rod
No, I
like
was
that.
pushing this in because it's starting to come out.
Well, because you got your line wrapped around it.
Drip, drip.
It's humongous. Look at this.
Look how thick he is. Look at how that sticks out so much. It like goes right. Don't film me. What was that? Where was that?
I don't know. It's somewhere out
Oh,
there.
it was in the little patch right there.
Was it?
Yeah. That's huge. Yep.
Alright.
There's just one out. Ralph. Ralph. GoPro falling in. GoPro falling in.
No, the GoPro was not falling in.
Whoa, look at the blue sky all of a sudden. Why couldn't it be like this today? The sky just got all the...
I mean, it's been like so gray and cloudy all day.
Today just didn't look like it goes out. And I just grabbed this and went like this. Take it away.
Uh-huh.
I went. Look how deep that goes in.
It's just sand. So, I mean...
Like, look how blue that is. I wish it would have been like that today. And they said it was nice. We didn't go outside this afternoon because they said it was going to rain. But every time I've like stuck it in perfect, except for these two. Oh, wow, that's just freaky.
There's fish. Hey, it's a little bass. There he is. Look at him. Alright, let's let him go. Oh, there's fish. Alright, come here. There we go. Got a little bass. You like that little spinnerbait. There we go.
Here's that one. Look at it. There's a beauty.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time.
There he goes. Oh, he's looking at it.